Welcome, dear listener, to another episode of Exploring Political Thought. Today we delve into Aristotle's theory of justice, particularly focusing on distributive justice. Justice, according to Aristotle, is a complete virtue, inherently tied to one's relationship with neighbors and the broader community. In the realm of political philosophy, both Plato and Aristotle agreed that the primary function of the state is to ensure justice. Aristotle further distinguished between two forms of justice, distributive and rectificatory. Distributive justice, as Aristotle envisioned, involves the fair distribution of offices, wealth, rewards, and dues among different social classes. The allocation is based on merit, defined within the framework of the Constitution's spirit. In an oligarchy, merit might be equated with wealth, while in an aristocracy, it would be related to virtue. In Aristotle's ideal state, merit aligns with virtue, as the ultimate objective is to ensure and promote the good life. Thus, a virtuous minority or aristocracy, contributing most to society's well-being, could claim a legitimate share of honors. Aristotle recognized virtue, wealth, and freedom as essential criteria for the end of the state. Virtue and wisdom, according to Aristotle, should be the primary qualifications for political power. However, he acknowledged the challenge of practically implementing this ideal and allowed for the inclusion of popular and oligarchic elements in the political process. Aristotle attempted to reconcile the democratic principle of numerical equality with the oligarchic principle of superiority, subordinating both to justice. Distributive justice, as outlined in Aristotle's Politics, acknowledges the unique contributions of each major social unit and grants them a corresponding claim to political participation. The distribution of honors is based on the relative assets of each group, with the principle of the mean balancing the political opportunities of the few, the many, and the rich. This proportional equality, grounded in the theory of just rewards, ensures that each person receives responsibilities and benefits in proportion to their just deserts. One noteworthy aspect of Aristotle's doctrine is its ability to satisfy the demands of social justice in both aspects. Proportionate equality, according to Aristotle, is more equitable than mere numerical equality advocated by Democrats, and the idea of special privilege is more justifiable than the oligarchic claim based solely on wealth or noble birth. Rectificatory or remedial justice, on the other hand, deals with matters like contracts or criminal law, where the merit of a person is not the primary consideration. In these cases, Aristotle emphasized the importance of treating all persons with equal merit, underscoring the centrality of justice to equality. Aristotle grappled with the concept of inequality, asserting that it arises when equals are treated unequally and unequals equally. He acknowledged individual differences in capacities, interests, and achievements, as well as the varying importance of social, cultural, and economic dimensions of human life. Aristotle sought to justify inequalities by distinguishing between the deserving and the undeserving, challenging the notion of absolute equality. In conclusion, Aristotle's theory of justice, particularly distributive justice, provides a nuanced perspective that balances the demands of social justice and acknowledges the complexities of human differences and societal structures. The concept of proportionate equality, guided by the principles of fairness and reasonable inequality, remains a key aspect of Aristotle's enduring contribution to political philosophy. Thank you for watching our videos. Please hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel.